Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw some more Among Us characters. Let's draw the policeman and the Viking. Alright, so let's draw more Among Us character, and let's draw in the policeman first. So to begin, just drawing one little curve like this. This is going to be the visor area. And then from here, just kind of round out the top, come across, just kind of dip it down, just round it out. Let's come back to this point and close everything off. So it's just a little bit flatter on this side. And then from here, just come out. Let's draw one little line here. And then now we can draw in the policeman hat. So we're gonna come out right here. Just go right over the head. We'll stop right around here. Now we're gonna dip down. We're gonna draw in the visor area. Come down, and then we're going to connect this. Just come back to the center of this. Okay, and then for the top, curve up on this side, smaller curve, and then from this part here, just one big curve coming back down. We're going to add one more little bump right here. And then whatever space you have here, just close it off. All right, and then for the badge right here, it's kind of small, so I'm just gonna draw two lines and I'll just add a little peak on the top. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the top, and then now let's continue on with the body. So we'll continue with this line. Come over here. And then now we can draw in the legs. So I'm going to continue this down. Okay, just one little angle. And then this side, same thing, just come down a little bit short, or a little bit shorter. Go up. And then just come across, and then past this, just go past this leg. Okay, and then for the little backpack, find the center of this, just come out right here. From this line, come over here. And then just round it out and connect that. Alright, so that's the policeman, and now let's draw in the Viking, which is kind of cool looking as well. So again, we're gonna draw in the same thing as the policeman, just the visor area, curve. Okay, so just come out. Same thing here, just come out. Draw a little line like this first. And then now for the Viking hat, so start on this point, just curve over the head again. Come down. And now let's draw in the hat. So right here, I'm just gonna add one section first. Just round it out. And then on this side, we're gonna curve to the center right here. So you can come up from here, you can add one little point. That's gonna be the top of the hat. From this point here, I'm gonna curve down to this side. And then on this side right here, I'm going to come down, I'm going to stop about halfway, and then I'm going to draw one curve going this way. Okay, and then from this point here, we're going to draw in one of the horns from the top. Just go up. From the tip here, curve back down, connect to this. All right, and then for the other one, from this point, just come across and make a little point here. And then this side, it's gonna be a little bit shorter. We'll curve up because it's gonna be behind this. From the point, let's come back down, connect to this. Alright, so I know those horns are a little bit trickier to draw because we're seeing it at 3/4 view. So now let's finish up the details on the helmet right here. I'm going to come to the center of this. Just curve up to right around here. Okay, come over here, make a little point, and then I'm going to draw the same curve. Just go all the way up, and it's going to connect to right around here. Okay, so that's the hardest part, and then now the rest of the body is a lot easier, so it's pretty much gonna be the same as this. So I'm gonna continue this down. Same thing here. Continue down, come in, come down to stop a little bit shorter, come in slightly smaller. So now just go up. You can draw like this first, and then once you have this shape, just extend this line. Okay, same thing here in the backpack. In the middle of this, find the line here. Just close it off. Alright, so that is it for this couple of Among Us skins. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.